happy holidays. I hope that you guys had a beautiful Christmas full of love and joy and good times around good people. I cannot believe that we are talking about this right now. I really cannot believe that we are talking about Christmas gifts. I was just talking to you about surviving the summer, and now here we are. I don't even understand where the time has gone. We are quickly approaching the end of 2023, and I don't know. I don't know. Reagan turned 5 this year, you guys. I don't know where the time is gone, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 gifts that I want to talk to you about. Now, for the last 10 years, my parents have given me money and gift cards for Christmas, which I truly appreciate. So obviously I'm not going to show you that. But, and we got gifts from like neighbors and family members, but I'm just going to show you the 5 that I can show you right now. And let's get to it. First one is from Joe, and it's from Nectar Life. Now, Nectar Life is this company, and they sell just amazing bath products. I mean, they smell so good, and he usually will get me things from Nectar because they have this beautiful store in South Coast Plaza, which is not far from our home, and it is these bath bombs. I want to make sure that you can see it. So these bath bombs, one is shaped like a heart, these other bath bombs, but this is the stuff. I am so happy when he gets this for me. It is a bath soak with coconut milk, and it has like a loofah sponge at the top. It's that beautiful smell. It's like a sherbet, but it's not too, I don't know how to explain it. It's a light, sweet scent, and your skin feels so amazing after you pour some of this in your bath, and it lasts so long. So, you know, I preach like self-care and things that you can do for yourself, by yourself. Taking baths, one of my things that I love to do, especially after a stressful day. And I love bath bombs. But just look at the size of that one. Oh, I cannot wait. I am so excited about this. Their products are so good for you, and like I said, your skin feels amazing afterwards. And so that is the first thing that I got from Joe. Okay, I showed you this during the last video when I went to Friendsmas and we did the white elephant, and I picked the Joe Malone Peony and Blush Suede oil diffuser. And look at this beautiful bottle. I want to see if you guys can see that. Absolutely beautiful. Obviously the rods came with it. It smells so good, and oh it smells so good, you guys. You're probably familiar with Peony and Blush Suede, but you know, I'm kind of new to Joe Malone, and I think I've said that in my reels on going over outfits, or even on his channel. I've recently received like a small sample size of the English Pear and Sweet Pea perfume, and I've fallen in love. This, I can imagine, smells so good as a perfume. But yes, so this is what I got from the white elephant for Friendsmas, and I was so happy when I got it. I was like, please, nobody steal this. Nobody steal this, because it's gonna look so good in my closet, on like in the bathroom, on the counters, next to my makeup. Like, it's just gonna look really good. And so I'm happy that I got this. I wish there was a way that I could figure out how to reuse this, because it's just so beautiful. I don't know. Let me think about that for a minute. But this is what I got from the white elephant. Next up is another white elephant gift, and it is a massage gun, and I want to make sure that you guys can see it. I haven't opened it yet, but I've heard good things about massage guns, and I've never had one before, but I heard that they work wonders. Like, they are magical. So I am excited about this one. I know that there are a million of them on the market, but what I'm going to do is try this one out, and I'll report back. I'll report back on whether or not, I don't know, it changed my life or not. We played another white elephant game when I went to celebrate with family, and this is what I picked. And why was I so excited? Because I've seen them all over, but I have never ever thought to purchase one for myself. So when you get something as a gift, and it's like, why haven't I purchased that? That was this. I've seen so many people enjoy that. They're guns, and I don't know where I've been, maybe under a rock. But I'll try this out and I'll report back. And yeah, so this is what I got from the second white elephant. the next thing, okay, let me just say this before I show you the next thing. So Joe did ask for a list of things that I wanted this year. We've been doing that the last couple of years and it's worked out well for us. So I've wanted a David Yurman bracelet for a while now. My wrists are kind of tiny, and I say that because I've seen so many people with the cable bracelets but in the larger sizes, and I didn't know how it would look on my wrist. So I decided to just, you know, tell him I wanted a bracelet and in the smaller size because, you know, my wrists are tiny and I've tried chunky bracelets before and it looks so weird on my wrist. So I kind of wear like delicate jewelry, especially on my arms and my fingers. My fingers the same way, okay? People have talked about that for years. Your wrists, your fingers, they're so like tiny or skinny or whatever. And so I don't know, it's kind of stuck with me. So I'm always careful about what kind of bracelets I pick up. Anyway, that is a long way of saying that this is the next gift from David Yurman. And I was so excited when I saw this under the tree. The packaging, stunning. First of all, let me just get into that. The packaging was absolutely stunning. This was the bag and it came with a Christmas charm. Okay, beautiful. It is 5mm and look at the box. This is how it came packaged and the box is just so soft. It's just so soft and beautiful. Okay, so here is the bracelet. Again, I'm just gonna put it up so that you can see it. It is so gorgeous. It fits my wrist perfectly, okay? It's not too big, it's not too bulky. It is from their Renaissance collection, and my goodness, it's absolutely perfect. It's so perfect, and I was like worried about it being this huge chunky thing, and it's so dainty and I love it. And I love the bracelets in this line because they have different metals and different colors. This one is in the color sand and I could not be happier with it. So I want to create a bracelet stack. I already have one, but I want to add some bracelets to it. The ones that I wear on my wrist have a special meaning to me. One of them is a bracelet that I wore for our wedding. Another bracelet is a bracelet that I picked up when my family, we all went on a cruise together and it means a lot to me. And another one is one that I was gifted from a friend. So you'll see the 3 bracelets that I wear all the time. This one I'm going to add to the stack and I love it. It's super durable and I think I'm going to go get another one. They have one that has like a pink tone to it. It's like pinkish. They have a brown one. They have a black one. I'm definitely going to get maybe 1 or 2 more just because I love the way that it looks. So that is the next gift. And then the final gift. The final gift came in this box. So I need to stand up so that I can show you what came in this Ralph Lauren box. Okay, I am losing light because it just gets so dark in my closet. I don't even understand it. And my lighting is just not good right now. But I wanted to stand up so that I can show you again what came in this box. Now, I think it was it was 2 videos ago where I took you with me to the Nordstrom holiday party. And I tried on 2 different coats then. One was from Reese and one was from Ralph Lauren. And I came back without the coat. But I was telling Joe I really wanted it. Even in the video I was like, I think I might have to come home with this. But they didn't have my size. But it is, let me grab it. The Ralph Lauren Cashmere Blend coat. Do you see this color? This color. It feels so good. I have to put it on. When I saw this under the tree, and then Ralph Lauren obviously just wrapped it. It had like a ribbon around it and it was just, the presentation was everything. I was so excited because I really, really wanted this coat. And I'm so happy that Joe found it in my size and picked it up. Just put this on. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, okay, so I said it was a cashmere blend. It is so soft to the touch. The length is perfect. And if I wanted to like close it, like tie it, let's see. Is this not the chicest coat? It is so good. Pockets. Again, the color is that color that you're gonna wear with any and everything. I am so excited. Love this coat, and my goodness, my first Ralph Lauren coat, and it is beautiful. The quality is just A plus. The pockets. This will be getting a lot of wear. I'm really big on cost per wear, and my goodness, it just feels so good. Okay, loves, that is it. That is what I got this Christmas. And then, like I said, some things from neighbors and family members and from my mom and dad. And I again hope that you had a wonderful Christmas. Thank you guys for rocking with me this year, and just everything, the comments, the support, everything. And I wish you a very happy 2024. I will see you in a couple of days.